This message is about realizing that you're the one. Let me know if this resonates with you. As a child, and I know that the majority of children believe that their parents are there to protect them, to honor them and respect them. But, many parents do not have that belief because they never dealt with their childhood traumas, and they decided to carry on the generational trauma by punishing others rather than working on themselves. So many children, had the belief that somebody else had to rescue them, somebody else had to protect them. And then some of those children, I speak for myself, also believe that relationships had to save you. Your family didn't protect you, although you believe that your family, your parents, your brothers, your sisters, you believed that they should stand by you, should help you, should protect you. And then you get into marriages where you still had this delusional belief that your husband was supposed to protect you, honor you, and love you. After all, the vows partially state that. But we forget that it also said, till death do us part. And to some of us, we almost got there, right? So when you realize that you are the one day I realized that I was the only one that was going to protect myself. And I actually have been doing that my entire life. I took care of, helping me. I was the one that put myself through college, through my work, through my effort. I had created a very prosperous career. And, I am proud of myself that I don't have anyone that can literally say, oh, you did it because of me, because I did it to myself. So today I am honoring myself publicly. I was the one that did it. And, although some individuals may want to give themselves credits, you don't have it. It's me. I was the one that did it. I realized that nobody was going to come and save me. And, when you realize that I was wrong to believe that other people had to help me, had to protect me, I remember that there is a higher power. And I realized a long time ago, but part of the healing journey is that you start to connect more things. You start to understand a lot more than you did at one time, because the reality is that when you are in survival mode, you are just reacting. So there's no time to be really analyzing things. You're reacting to survive. You're reacting to protect yourself. And mothers that are in toxic, abusive, dysfunctional relationships, they're reacting to protect their children. So once you realize that you are the one, you realize that it doesn't matter who gets pissed off. It doesn't matter, who's going to raise their voice or who smeared your name, because you are the one. You are the cycle breaker. You are the one that had the courage to say no more. And when you realize who was benefiting from your silence, you realize that you have to be louder. Okay? You have to be louder, because there's still people out there that are trapped in cycles of abuse that are there to keep them silent so that they can continue to benefit from their silence. So if you are one of those crazy ones, the cycle breakers, keep going. Others do depend on our voice, on our commitment to break the cycle.